Welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. Like I said, I did have a haul from different stores. The first one is from Stamp and Storage. I did buy these 8.5 by 11 storage pockets. So this one is the landscape one, and it does have the little tabs on top. And then I bought the portrait. The landscape one, I bought it for my Tim Holtz stampabilities, but they're too big, so I have to return this one. Or I might keep it, I don't know yet. If it fits for my 8.5 by 11 papers. So this, I bought it for my 8.5 by 11 papers. So let me show you how they look. I should have opened it up and taken one out to show you. So they look like that. And so I did buy some 8.5 paper from Office Depot, so I'm going to show you right now that this is why I bought it, so that when I do open my 8.5 by 11 paper, it doesn't get dusty and they stay in these files, pockets, storage pockets. And then you just write the name of the color, and then I'm going to put it in my little bin like that so that I could see it here, the name. So let me show you my office supply haul. So I did pick up this canvas textured vanilla cream cardstock, and as you can see, it is textured on top. Let me open it up because the plastic is not letting you see it. So I hope you can see it there. Right there. So I bought that paper, and then I did buy this 30 sheet color box, and these are the colors inside. You get 6 each of these colors, and they are very muted colors. They're very light, and they are sheer. They don't have no texture on them. Only 30. So you do get 6 in each of these. So I bought that cardstock. Then I bought this stamp from Vicky Boyne, Sweet Rush, and it's the little, it has a tab, a little metal opening there, you know, those things. I think they're called clasp. And this one says, important stuff, document the details, tell the story. And then it has this little ripped paper here with lines. And so I picked that up for my journaling and my scrapbooking. Then I picked up 5 more of these storage, the 12 by 12, which I love. They do hold a lot of paper in these storage file. They are from Storage Studios, and they're cheap here in Office Supply, because scrapbook.com had it like for $5 more, and I bought it in Office Supply and I saved myself $5. So I did buy 5 of them. So that is from Office Supply and Stamp and Storage. So let me, I believe I didn't show you this book when I did my Amazon haul. But I did buy this book on how to make books, and it shows you in here how to make either little pamphlets like this, because it shows you, I think, 6 different types. No, 7 different types. So you have the instant books, the accordions, the stab stitch, the pamphlet and chapbooks, and mutant books, and then long stitch, and then Copic. So this book shows you all the different sewing on here, so that's why I picked it up to do more books like that. And then an Amazon haul, I did pick up these little pick pop photo inserts. You get 25 vertical inserts and 25 horizontal, and so this is how they look. So this they gave me for free, which is bigger than the 4x6. So you get this kind, and this is, you could put it in your scrapbooks and you could put it in your calendar books. So it does come with the glue already here and then you put the picture in here, and then you just put it on your book like that, and then you could flip it and put a picture here and a picture in the back. Oops. You put it in your book like that, you put a picture here and a picture in the back, and then you could flip it. Or even one of those decorative cards. Let me see if they fit. So I'm gonna take this card and put it in here. And so you could put a card and then a picture in the back. Or you could even do journaling in the back and then place it on your scrapbook like that. So I got the horizontal, and then this one goes here. I'm going to put it to the side, and then the vertical. So this one is the vertical, and so this one you could put it in your book like this, and then you could flip it, or you could even do a cascade of them going down. So you could put this card inside, because it is 4x6, all of them. So you get 25 in each packet, and then they gave me these for free. I think it was 5 of them of these. So these are a little bit bigger, as you can see, than the 4x6. It still has that. So they gave me 5 of those sheets. So I think that was a good deal, because you only get a few of these if you buy it through scrapbook.com or any other scrapbooking stores. So here you get 50, and it was very cheap in price. If you need the link, I'll link it down below. Just leave me a comment down below and I'll link it to you. But it's called this, and that's the store where I picked it up from, in Amazon. So that is that. Then again in Amazon, I did pick up these packets, and it's 40 in here in this. So let me show you what they are. So they're both the same. So let me just open one. Sorry for the noise. So these open like this, and they do have that. So it's good like that. So you could put your stuff inside through here. Let me see if I have something to put in here. Let me see this. Yeah. So if you have something like that, like even stickers, the big stickers, you could put them in here. This is too tall. Do I have stickers next to me? So you can have, look at this die, so you can put them in here, and you could cut down the cards in here, and then you could put them like that. Is it all the way in? So, something like that, and you could hold your dies in here, and also your stamps, those big stamps. I think they are, I can't find one right now. Let me see. Stamps like this. I think they're 6x8, they're called stamps. So you could put your dies in there, and if it would come out, and your stamps. in the little. So those are good to put your dies and stamp together. So, and it still has enough room, look how big it is, to fit a lot of things. So if you cut out some dies, you could put them inside in the back also. So that's why I bought these, and they were very cheap in Amazon. And that's what I'm going to be buying from now on. Instead of these from Heidi Swapp, because you only get 8 for $10. And this, I believe it was like $7.99 for 40 or $10.99 for 40. So if you need the link to this, also leave me a comment and I'll link it down below for you. I have a lot more to show you. So that was Amazon. And you do get a big thing, and that's the store there. So these are 7 by 9 and a quarter. 9 by 4. 7 by 9 by 4. If you want the length of them. So you get 40 in here. So that's that. Now let me see what else. I did get my Heidi Swapp kit for this month. These kits are coming so fast, I can't even use one while the other one is coming. So where is so the stamp is this one right here. It says, "You are loved, think positive, keep smiling, this is your sign, just remember, don't forget, note to self." And then it has like a little tiger here, or yeah, tiger. "You are made of magic, go get them, tiger. You can do hard things, do more of what makes you happy." So it has this little bulletin here, and then this one is like a person is holding the board, and then one hanging here. So that's kind of cute. And then for the Stop the Blur kit, again they give you this cute little pouch or purse, and it says "Tell your story," and then her name there, Heidi Swapp, so you can see there. And then she gives you this stamp. It says, "Give me just a minute." That's cute. It says, "Give me just a minute, drama-free zone, maybe good, Google it, maybe Google it, tried my best, too tired." That's me every single day. I woke up tired. Yup. Always tired. Nope. And then the Z's here. So this is one that I'm going to be using constantly for my journal. Because I'm always tired. I don't know, with autoimmune disease, that's one thing you do. Even though you could rest, I could sleep 20 hours and wake up still tired. But enough of that. Now she gives us the numbers and then the alphas. She gave us these stickers with some tabs, and you get 2 sheets of that. I love her colors. And then again she gave us these definition stickers. You only get 1 of that. And then here is the washi, which is cute. Let me open it up so that you can see it. So you get a strip, like different strips, so that's kind of cool. I do like using her washi tape for my journal, and I do have to, this week I have to start for July in my journal, so stay tuned for that. Then she gave us some little tags or flags. So they are different colors. So this one is like a beige or brown. This one is a darker one, or maybe it's the same color. She does the same color. Yeah, same color. And then the blue or the green. And then the last one is this yellow or So that's cute. I'm gonna put that back in here. And then there's some bigger ones. And I believe these are envelopes. Oh no, they're little booklets. So that's cool. So there's, see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of cool. So you get them in 4 different colors. Those are pretty for your booklet, for your monthly. Then she has the cardboard little tabs here, which is hard to open here. Sorry for the noise. And they're different colors. As you can see, this one is more of that color. And then here's a lighter color. And then another color. And then another color. So that's cute. 4 different colors. And then the last thing is these little inserts with the little cards. So that's cute. With the tab, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and they're all with the same tab in the same location. So that's cute. And that is it for the Stop the Blur. And I will be back to show you some 2 other hauls from 2 new stores that I bought from. So stay tuned for that. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you need any of the links from Amazon, please leave me a comment down below and I will get to send you the link really quick. And if you are not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.